Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you are new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I am so excited to do an assembly and first impressions on the UPPAbaby Cruz 2018 stroller in the color Jordan. So let's just get right to it. Okay, so first impressions is that was so easy to assemble. I mean, all you have to do is click in the wheels, attach the little bumper bar, and I think the hardest part was attaching the canopy, and it was because I wanted to just push it in and I had to kind of twist it a little bit. So that was the hardest part, which wasn't hard at all. The color, I am so happy we went with the Jordan. I was between that and I think it's the Gregory, the more kind of bluish color. But I think that the gray is so beautiful. It's slick, it's stylish, it's so pretty. The frame seems really durable. It's not as heavy as I was expecting. It's easy to fold, it's easy to recline, which I really appreciate it because I have other strollers that are a pain to recline. It's super simple. You just press on the button in the back of the seat. It's a little gray tab, and you have 3 different reclines for the chair. The handle is a super nice, so luxurious, beautiful black leather. It feels so nice to the touch, and it has 3 different height settings, which is a plus because I am pretty short and my husband is tall, so that helps us out. So easy to fold. You just hold on to 2 little gray tabs at the top and it just folds into itself. It clicks into the little self lock and it stands on its own. It also has 2 little black tabs at the top of the handle so that the handle isn't on the ground. And if you really wanted it to be a little bit shorter, you just fold down the bottom of the seat and it folds down a little bit smaller. It is a full-size stroller, which I was looking for, so I know that it is going to fold a little bit larger. Material of the seat is so nice and soft. It feels like it's breathable material. The canopy is huge, and I really enjoy that because my kids tend to not like the sun at all. Because it's a modular stroller, which means that you can have the child facing outward or facing the parent, it's really amazing that it is so easy to just switch the seat around. And what I love about it is that we really wanted the Mesa, and I don't need adapters. I can just click that right in and I can use my stroller from birth. We also thought about getting the snug seat. If I feel like it's necessary, I will get it, but it's so much more easier and convenient to click and unclick the car seat from the base to the stroller and from the stroller to the base, and that's it, especially if the baby is sleeping. One of the things that sold me on this stroller is the bottom basket. It's really nice and roomy, and you can reach into it from the front or the back. I love that bottom basket. It has 3 extra pockets, which if you wanted to put it in maybe some diapers or some wipes or a bottle of water for yourself, your cell phone, your wallet, anything, you could fit it right into those little compartments. And the basket is really nice and roomy. I'm pretty sure I can fit all of my diaper bags in there. I love that it includes the belly bar because not all strollers include that. And it's also that super nice leather. It's so pretty and nice and luxurious. The seat is very cushiony, which makes it seem like the baby will be comfortable in it. So I love the incline, the material on the seat. It's so smooth to just push around. Plus it has a bottom brake. I'm obsessed. I love the stroller. I think it's so beautiful. I can't wait for my baby to get here so she can stroll around with her mama in there. So those are my thoughts on the stroller. I am obsessed with it. I think it's beautiful. We are waiting on the UPPAbaby Mesa that we haven't ordered yet because it's so early, but we will be getting it in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned on my first impressions on that. And after the baby is here, I will be doing a full review on both, but I want to be fair and just use it for a while before I do that. This is just my first impressions, so I really do hope that this was useful and you enjoyed it. And if you did, I would love it if you give me a big thumbs up. If you have an UPPAbaby Mesa, Cruz, or Vista, I would love to hear your opinion on it in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you consider subscribing. And if you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.